Okay. Thank you for joining me here today. It's been a crazy couple of weeks in my life, and I'm sure many of us are experiencing the same thing. So many of us are tired. We're tired of all of the energy around us and all of the negativity around us and all of the media and what the governments are saying, and there's so much going on around us that so many of us are feeling tired and we're worn out and we're scared and we're fearful. And that collective energy has an impact on us as a physical being, but also the way that we interact with people. And for me personally, I found it all a little bit much. I'm an empath and I was feeling too much. There was a lot going on. And so I had to take a couple of weeks off and really reset. And it's really, really important that we do this because we have been running in this state of fear for 18 months now. And when we are running in that state of fear, we have chemical changes in our body and we go into the state of fight, flight, and freeze, and the adrenaline really kicks in, and we are living in this state. We are not meant to be in this state where we are constantly on high alert all the time, and this wears our bodies down. And I was getting to a point where I had no energy. I didn't know what was going on. I didn't feel sick, but I had no energy and I wasn't thinking straight. Everything was really fuzzy. And I just thought, right, now's my time. I can't actually run a business. I can't interact with people. I can't see my clients when I'm in this energy. So I had to take a step back. So I have recently spent a lot of time in doing my gardening, and I took some time out and watched some funny movies, and I've got my energy back. And it's really, really important that many of us realize that we have to do this. We can't be in that state of fight, flight, freeze constantly. We have to reset ourselves to be able to find our inner strength. Now, it doesn't matter what your belief is. I'm sure that whoever is here live with me, and thank you for watching me live, whoever live is watching live here to me, your beliefs may be different to mine. It doesn't matter. The thing is, we all have to interact with each other on a civil, rational level in a world that seems to be blowing up in craziness right now. And the only way that we can do that is be centered and find ourself and find our inner power. So to do that, we need to realize, firstly, I always say when we're trying to change anything, we have to be aware of where we're at. So we have to be aware that we are in this state to begin with, and we have to be aware of what's causing this around us and what can we do to change that. So can we turn off the media? Can we turn off the TV? Can we stop talking to the people that are making us feel bad? There's definitely a big divide happening, and I found that I have actually made a hell of a lot more friends who are more like-minded than me in this pandemic than ever before, and it's amazing to see the people coming out the woodwork. So one thing that used to make me scared was the fear of losing people from my life, but what I found is you just replace them with people that are more like-minded. You know, you've heard the saying, people are here for a reason, season, or lifetime. And whether that's your family or whether that is people that have been in your life, let them go. Let them go if they don't resonate with you. If you feel that that is sucking your energy and that doesn't resonate with you, let that go, because something will be replacing it, and something better and something will nurture you, will hi Isabella, this is the first time I've done a live and I've actually seen somebody comment, so I don't know what's happened to my screen, but thank you. It's really, really important that we actually start building community now, community of people that nurture us, people that we can talk to on a rational level and be able to use our voice. It's really, really important that we are able to speak and stand in our power and be authentic and use our voice. And at the moment in the world, this seems to be squashed. This is what I help my clients do. I've worked with people for many years who have had anxiety, who have had abuse, who had depression, and they feel very small and they feel that they can't use their voice. And I see a lot of this going on in the world on a bigger scale right now. There's a lot of oppression, there's a lot of abusive behavior going on, and when people are in that the receivers of that, they feel that they can't speak up. And so it's really, really important, if you are wanting your freedom, if you are wanting to say no to something that you don't want to have, it's really, really important that you find this power within you. So I'd love to give you a little exercise. So for anybody watching here, I do NLP hypnotherapy. It's a technique that I use. We have all of the resources that we need within us already, but it's a matter of learning how to tap into that, how to find that, and how to change that energy. So what I'd like to do is just a really short example of what I might do with a client to help them change how they're feeling. And once you know how to do that, you can do this exercise. You can listen to this video over and over again to change this energy within you. It's so, so important that we need to stand in our power right now. And so if you would like to join me, I'm just going to take a sip of water here. Now, is there anyone in the watching this at the moment who is feeling a certain emotion? Is it fear? Are you feeling scared? Are you feeling anxiety? What's happening for you right now? And it doesn't matter, whatever emotion that you're feeling right now that isn't serving you, you can work on that one. Because we're working on getting out of that emotion that you're feeling right now. And that emotion, if you can imagine the emotion that you're feeling, it's as an object in front of you. That object it has a color and it has a shape, and it's something outside of you, and that object has its own thoughts and its own beliefs and its own feelings. So whether it's anxiety or fear, we can disassociate from that, because that isn't us. That's just how we're feeling in the moment. That is what our emotions are. They come and go, and sometimes we just hold on to them. And so whether it's fear or whatever you're going on at the moment, if you can imagine that fear outside of you, it kind of lessens the feelings if you disassociate from that. So that's one little tip for you. It's just like, imagine the fear that you're feeling. Imagine the scared that you might be feeling. Imagine the anxiety that you're feeling, and push it out of you and have a conversation with it and say, what message do you have for me? And I have done videos on that in the past. So if you look back at some of my old videos, I've worked with that. But this today, I want to talk about finding your power. So when you're ready, take a nice deep breath in. And breathe out. And another nice deep breath in. And breathe out. And just let your body start relaxing, and just let your body just let go of anything right now, knowing that you can come back to that feeling anytime you like. Let go of the fear, let go of the anxiety, and be in this moment right now, where your body is relaxing. It's feeling calmer as you are traveling inwards, and we're going on this journey to find your inner strength. And as you're imagining going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper into your body, you're feeling more centered and more relaxed. And imagine a small part of you, a small version of you, traveling down into your solar plexus area. And imagine that small part of you has an orange glow around it in your solar plexus area. This is your solar plexus chakra. You can feel that energy. This is where we express our confidence. So imagine this small part of you now, bright orange in the orange glow, standing there in the Superman pose with your feet on the floor, grounded, strong, shoulders back, hands on hips, looking up, feeling strong, feeling that confidence, feeling that inner confidence oozing out of your chest now, oozing out of your solar plexus, and just the whole of you is just feeling this confidence. And go back to a time where you felt completely confident in your life. When in your life did you feel completely confident? And access that feeling now. Feel completely confident while this small part of you is in the solar plexus, feeling this orange glow. Feeling strong and powerful now. Feeling confident. And make that feeling 10 times bigger. 10 times bigger than you've ever felt before. Completely confident to speak your truth, completely confident to be authentically you, confident to let go of negativity from your life and stand in this power now, knowing that when you are in this power, this is what you will attract moving forward. These are the kind of people you will attract moving forward. This is what you will be feeling moving forward. And now times that by 10 again. Feel that feeling in your whole body. Feel that feeling of confidence. Feel your feet going down into the earth, grounding you. Roots from your feet going into the earth like a tree, solid like a tree. Feeling solid and grounded now. And know that in this state you have a voice, you have a powerful voice for you to use. And this voice will enable you to stand your ground, to be powerful, and find people in your life that resonate with you now. You are a beaming light of confidence, and you will attract beaming lights of confidence. And you will form communities of confident voices and confident, beautiful people who can converse in a beautiful way, listening to each other, being with each other, accepting each other, knowing that each of us have different viewpoints, and it is safe to express your voice now. So now imagine a balloon in front of you, and instead of helium, you're opening that balloon and you're breathing in safety. So feel completely safe. Feel that safety going in through every cell in your body. It's suffusing every cell. And breathing another balloon of confidence. So open up that balloon. And imagine how that feels. Feeling completely confident in every cell in your body. Completely confident. Right here, right now. Feel the tingling in your fingers, in the toes. Feel the energy oozing out of you. And know that you have access to this feeling whenever you like. Whenever you choose to come back to this place, you can. So now that you're feeling that, hold your hands together like this. Like to put your hands together. If you've got your eyes closed, you wouldn't have seen that, in a prayer position. And feel this confidence, and know that feeling this pressure on your hands brings back this feeling. Brings back this feeling of confidence. Brings back this feeling of being confidently you. And each time you put your hands together in this and you feel that pressure, this confidence comes back instantly. And the more you practice this, the stronger and stronger it gets. To a point where all you need to do is put your hands together in a prayer position and you feel that confidence instantly. And so now, bring back the little version of you. And imagine that smaller version of you that was immersed in that feeling of confidence. growing up inside of you, becoming you. Knowing that you are integrating and you are feeling that feeling of confidence, that inner strength in you right now. And know that you can live your life from this moment. And when you're ready, open your eyes and come back into the room. So I'd love to know how you're feeling after that. This is a visualization technique using NLP and hypnotherapy, where we can go on the inside and change the way that we feel and change the way that we think and change the way that we behave. Now, this is just about feeling, but we can change all your neural pathways by doing techniques like this. And if you've done this with me, I know that you will be feeling differently now. Your body will be calmer. Your body will be in a more of a healing state where you're able to think straighter. Because what happens when we're in a state of fight and flight, we stop thinking. We can't rational think anymore. And so bringing our body down into a state like this of calm, it's so important to do this, and it's so important to do it on a daily basis. On an hourly basis. So if you can watch this video again and do this video again, or you just do a short meditation and you can visualize yourself and visualize this energy and practice this hand, pushing your hands together and feeling that feeling of confidence. So this was an anchor that we use in NLP. So I hope you really enjoyed that. I'd love to know how you feel. And if you would like to work with me, I work with clients one-on-one, working with confidence and anxiety and depression and people that have had abuse, to be able to stand up in their power and be themselves authentically. So I'm so passionate about this, and we need this in the world so much right now. If you have any other questions, please put them in the comments here, or you can personally message me if it's a bit you don't want other people to know about it. So please, either way, if you need my help, get in touch with me and I will be in touch with you. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.